topic is sentences, types of sentences. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which conveys complete thought. For example, the book is on. Is it giving complete meaning, children? No. So, the book is on the table. It is giving complete meaning. Where is the book? On the table. So, the sentence is a group of words which gives complete meaning. Sentences are divided into 4 types. What are they? Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. First, declarative sentence. What is a declarative sentence? Declarative sentence tells us information and it ends with a full stop. For example, a dog is man's best friend. It is giving us the information, right? Next, second one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is ask the question. It asks a question and it ends with a question mark. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence makes a command or a request. For example, keep quiet. It is a command. Next, put the keys in the drawer. It is a request. Next is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotions or feelings. What a beautiful day. It is expressing a strong feeling. It ends with the exclamation mark. And this is the worksheet which you have to do, children. And what the work is, you have to identify what kind of sentence and you have to write in the space provided. Thank you.